Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sparkleiot Tuya mini Wi-Fi 16 amp smart switch relay and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. Now, there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this smart switch will not connect to your Wi-Fi, or it won't sync with your device, or it won't pair with your Wi-Fi, or if it's just not responding in the way it's supposed to, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. The other thing is if you just want to move it to a new place and get it all set up in a new room or whatever, and you just want to start fresh, this will delete everything off it. Now, there are two ways to do this. Some of them have this little switch button, power button here. Some of them don't. For those that have the power button, we can just press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the switch makes a DDD sound, indicating that it has been reset. For those that don't, on switch, what we can do is on switch 1, we can do 10 cycles of turning it on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, 10 times, at which point it will go DDD and indicating that it has been reset.